This is a real website live on the actual internet, and watch, I can text this link to literally anyone right now. By the end of this, you'll have your own live link too, and the part that got me, it cost me nothing, actually $0. Let me show you how with GitHub and Vercel. Okay, so you just built something that you're actually proud of, and right now, exactly one person on the planet can see it. You. It works perfectly on your laptop, and that's exactly where it died. So this address bar up here just means that this is on the computer and nowhere else. You literally cannot text this to any friend. So you'd make something that you're actually proud of and have zero way to show it off except through screen recording. And I always assumed going live was this expensive and you need to be like a real engineer kind of thing, but it turns out it's not even close to that. Okay, so I've just pulled up our reportfolio build, and so there's two free tools that do everything. GitHub stores your code online, and Vercel takes that code and turns it into a live website. So GitHub holds it, Vercel hosts it. That's the whole pipeline. So first, before you do this part, you're going to need to have the GitHub CLI installed, which is command line index. So you can just ask your Claude to install the GitHub CLI. And you're also going to need to make an account for GitHub as well. Once you've done that, you can come here, and I'm going to type git init, which tells Git to start tracking my project folder, but nothing's online just yet. Okay, so the next command we're going to do is git add and space dot. So I'm just walking through all these commands that it goes through. So now I'm just going to tell Claude to go ahead and commit it. You could have just told Claude to go ahead and make yourself a repo on GitHub and then commit all your code. But I just wanted to do this to show you what the process is that Claude goes through. So now I'm just going to go ahead and push it to GitHub and tell Claude to do that. So it's going to go ahead and push all of our code to GitHub. And if it asks you this question, you obviously want to make your GitHub repo private so then nobody else can steal your code. So here's a mental model that you can keep track of. Your files are like a paper on your desk. Git add puts them in a box, and then git commit seals the box with a label. Then when you git push, it mails the box to GitHub and officially puts it online. So now that it's live on GitHub, let's go ahead and go to the page. Code now lives on GitHub and not just my laptop. So if I click this open menu bar, you can see all my projects. And the one that we just made is down here, and it's called AI Class Episode 1 right here. Okay, GitHub's got my code, and now Vercel. And this is the part that turns it into an actual live website. And the best part about it, it's completely free. So you can go ahead and sign in with your GitHub account, and there's no new account needed, no new password, it just connects. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit add new, and then I'm going to click project. And so now it shows me all of my GitHub repos, and I'm just going to pick the one that we just made, which is AI Class Episode 1, and I'm going to click Import. It's just a simple static site, so there's nothing to configure, so now we can just hit Deploy. And look at that, it gives us a congratulations screen, and we can continue the dashboard, but it gave us our site, and so our site is now live. And so I just click Continue to the dashboard, and here it is, so we can go ahead and click on this, and then click on this domain here, the very first one that pops up. And look at that, it is now officially live on the internet. And here's the best part, every time I update my code and push it, Vercel automatically rebuilds the live site. Set it up once and it just keeps working. And that is how easy it is to put your AI build onto the actual internet. What got me? It was free, genuinely $0, no card, no trial, and way faster than I built it up to be in my head. And the honest take, the site itself is basic, and that's on purpose. The skill isn't the page, it's that you now know how to get any project online. Next time I'd set this up at the start of a project instead of at the end, so it's live the whole time I'm building. So try this today, take anything sitting on your laptop and just get it online for practice. Same two tools, GitHub and Vercel. In the next episode, I'm going to hook up a real custom domain so it's not just a vercel.app link. That's when it starts feeling legit. So go make your link.